Hello, this is Amos the Math Guy. Just making a quick video about how to help every child to reach their potential in mathematics, especially. I was looking at the certain list that was made of the top 15 jobs in terms of income in 2024, and all 15 were in the STEM field. Essentially, finance I'm going to include in the STEM field because of the mathematical aspects involved. So let's just keep that there. Economics, computer science, computer engineering, and so on and so forth. And the reason why math is important is not just because it can give you a good salary in your job or lead you into a job that gives you a good salary. I think math is good for its own sake. There's a book right here by Dr. Francis Su called Mathematics for Human Flourishing. And I believe that we really need to start thinking of mathematics in this regard, as a tool to help us think better, as a tool to teach us certain life skills. So that's something to keep in mind, mathematics for human flourishing. But what I've done is I've also made these workbooks. This one is for pre-algebra, and a lot of them are behind me here. Workbooks and tech that follow certain free textbooks to help everybody to flourish in mathematics, so that we don't limit a student's ability to do mathematics based on their grade level, but instead it's focused on their mastery level. So somebody was asking a very good question about, if my child is good in math and they're done with 6th grade in their textbook, can we like move on to the 7th grade math, let's say now, or can we skip 7th grade math and so on? And what I want to encourage families to realize is that math is actually one of the only subjects, and this applies to many subjects too, but math is unique in the sense that it's based on your mastery of concepts, not on your age or your grade level. Because if you know how to add fractions, decimals, and work with percents, ratios, and proportions, you're ready for algebra. It doesn't matter what your grade or your age. And if you can't do those things, then you shouldn't do algebra, even if you're 17 years old, because algebra needs a solid understanding of whole numbers, fractions, decimals, percents, ratios, and just how to work with those concepts. So I want to encourage families and teachers and educators to move towards a mastery-based approach in mathematics instruction rather than just a grade-based learning, right? Find tools to enrich the math learning for your students. Over the next few weeks, I'll be posting regular videos about strategies for math excellence. So my website, amosthemathguy.com, has some resources, including my free book, Tools for Mastering Mathematics. I also have these workbooks on Amazon that follow textbooks that you can use as a guide to learn math from counting to calculus. So my goal is to take everyone from basic mathematics and arithmetic all the way to calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3, linear algebra, differential equations, discrete mathematics, statistics. I want them to get as far as they can, and doesn't matter what you do with your career world, but you can have a solid math foundation, right? That's one of the things. You can't go wrong on being good at math. Like, it's not going to hurt. Nobody becomes a doctor and they look at them and say, oh, you did Calc 3 when you were in school. That's a terrible thing. No, not at all. As a matter of fact, it might open their mind to think of problems in certain unique ways. And that's what math does, where you don't see the application at the moment, but you can still learn to think a certain way. That's success in your math education journey. Learning to think mathematically. So stay tuned for more. We have a YouTube channel called Counting to Calculus, and then we also have my channel called Living Sensibly with Amos Tarfa. Those are the two channels where I'll be posting a lot of videos over the next few weeks. So if you know any schools that are looking for resources to help their students learn math at a high level, to learn math efficiently, to learn math year-round, to learn math in the summer, whatever math needs they have, we're here to help. And some of the textbooks we use are textbooks that have been used by millions of people, and we're adopting it into our framework, and we're just providing that roadmap. That's what our Counting to Calculus framework does, is it gives you a roadmap from counting all the way to 30 to 40 credits in math and science if you want before you graduate high school. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a blessed day.